Hey everyone and welcome. Today I am going to be showing you how to set up sale prices for products with variants in Shopify. So for this you need to head over to your products section on your admins panel, and then let's just say this is our product on which we want to add variant prices. So all of the variant settings are going to be in here. So here you can see if you click on variant you can add, let's just say color. It is going to be maybe blue, and we're going to be entering done, and we can simply add the price for that as well. Simply add in here, let's just say blue one is a bit expensive, and I'm going to be adding that. And you can also add image for that as well, and or you can choose something else and click on done. So they can select this variant, and they're going to be, of course, having a different price for that. Click on save, as it is going to be saving all the settings, and you are good to go.